Today I'm going to show you exactly how I make AI YouTube videos that actually get views in under 10 minutes. No camera, no editing skills, no experience needed. I'm going to show you the exact tools I use step by step right now. Let's get into it.
Let's get started. So first, I open ChatGPT. This is where everything begins. I just type in a simple prompt, cartoon reel video, and watch what happens. ChatGPT instantly writes me a complete script. Hook, characters, dialogue, everything, in seconds. Now here's a pro tip. The better your prompt, the better your script. So instead of just typing, make a video, be specific. Tell ChatGPT exactly what topic, what style, and what audience you want. I personally use cartoon reel video. Simple, clean, and ChatGPT understands exactly what I need. Try it yourself. You'll be amazed. That's it. ChatGPT does the rest. This used to take me hours. Now it takes less than 2 minutes. Crazy, right? Now, open any browser and search Focal AI. Click on Video Generator and sign up for free. Once you're in, it's super simple. You paste your script, choose your video style, select your character, and hit Generate. Focal AI reads your entire script and automatically builds the animation, adds dialogue, background music, and sound effects. You literally just sit back and watch it happen. Now, I want to show you something important. Look at the results. The characters are moving, talking, reacting, all from a simple text prompt. No editing, no recording, no complicated software. Anyone can do this. Students, beginners, people with zero experience. This is the future of content creation, and you're watching it happen right now. The quality is actually really good. Looks professional, looks clean, and most importantly, it gets views. But here's the thing. Focal AI only gives you 10 free credits per day. That's just 30 seconds of video. Not enough for a full YouTube video. So I use InstaDoodle instead. Just 3 clicks and your video is ready. Free. Unlimited. Try it yourself. Link is in the description below. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button and comment below. What AI topic do you want me to cover next?
Bored. You may doubt it's really like that, but look, you're still here watching this video. That kind of proves how efficient doodle videos really are. So now I've proved to you that doodle videos work, let me show you how we created this video with only a few clicks using InstaDoodle. The first thing you'll notice after you open InstaDoodle is the extensive library of done-for-you characters, props, and text. Additionally, InstaDoodle provides the flexibility to upload your customized images, fonts, voiceover, and music. You can just drag and drop any element that you want from our extensive library. Scale it, rotate, and tweak it to seamlessly integrate with your project. The next step is to add some text. Select the font, center it, set the color, purple, and voila! Now, let's create a new slide. Add a character. Let's add a speech bubble too. Add the text, why whiteboard videos? And bam! Looks amazing, right? But now let me show you the real power of InstaDoodle.